Hey, this is Rick at Arizona Urban Farms. Today we're up in Apache County at our ranch, and we are contemplating and looking at a place to create an experience based on what we have here. So starting off right here, just imagine a half-acre pond that holds water that comes down and gathers during monsoon, and then has a pump that will run it back up through this area here. My wife calls this the Waterfall area, and with good reason. There's some pretty cool rock in here that we could really get intentional about in landscape and create a flowing, babbling brook right in this area. And look at down there. There's a circular area where stone and pebbles and sand and everything have made a circle. Pretty cool. But this is like, it's just really interesting. Very interesting. And with a little creativity and design and being intentional, this area has a really cool opportunity to serve a casita, or a couple of them, and then it goes back up to about there. So when we come around this corner, there's like a nice little meadow area, and then it wraps around that way. And I think this would be a wonderful place to put a little casita. I really do. We've got some cleaning up to do, but the potential is here. It's all really, really interesting. This rock would be just so fun to create. A little waterfall, a babbling creek. I'll have to look into it. But we wanted to add to the ecosystem. We want the local wildlife to be able to use it. And this is about where it ends. So this is where we started. And we would just go in and dig out, probably 6-8 feet deep. Staggered walls. Doesn't have to be big. Just has to hold water. And then during monsoon season, we want it to have a spillover where it just flows out, but still holds water, year round, or whenever, however long it can, hopefully year round. And if we have to feed it, through our well, figure out a system that can do that, we'll do that. As long as it's, cost effective and helps the environment, the soil, and the aesthetics of the property. All right, that's all I got.